Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 5.5 in differentiability. Question number 6. X plus 1 upon x power x plus x power 1 plus 1 upon x. Now let y is equal to this. X power x and x power x. So you let टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, यानी कि जब x की पावर x में हो तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन डायरेक्ट न करके हम पहले उसको लॉग मेथड से ब्रेकअप कर लेते हैं। तो नाउ टेकिंग लेट u इज इक्वल टू x plus 1 upon x power x and v is equal to x power 1 upon 1 plus x। क्योंकि यहाँ जो फंक्शन दिया गया है वह एडिशनल में है, तो इसको हम डायरेक्ट लॉग नहीं ले सकते, इसलिए सेपरेट करके इसको लेट करके तब हम लॉग लेंगे। टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, सो लॉग u इज इक्वल टू लॉग x plus 1 upon x power x। So फार्मूला log m की पावर n is equal to n times log m। This formula used in this place, log m की पावर n, so n times of log m। So according to this, now change x into log x plus 1 upon x and log u। Differentiate with respect to x, d upon dx log u is equal to d upon dx log x into log x plus 1 upon x। So now log d by dx log x 1 upon x, so 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, there are two function, product of two function, derivative of first function, derivative of second function, log x plus 1 upon x plus second function log x plus 1 upon x into derivative of first function। So product of two function, so first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, so df x upon x। So now solve by it again। 1 upon u, 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to x log derivative of log x 1 upon x. So log 1 upon x plus 1 upon x into derivative of this x plus 1 upon x and plus log x plus 1 upon x into derivative of x with respect to x1. So now 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, so x upon, now LCM taking x square plus 1 upon x and also d upon dx plus d upon dx x power minus 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x. So again 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, now reverse to numerator, x square upon x square plus 1 and also 1 plus minus 1 x power minus 2 derivative plus log x plus 1 upon x. So now x square upon x square plus 1 into 1 minus 1 upon x square, 1 minus 1 upon x square and plus log x plus 1 upon x. So 1 upon u du upon dx. So du upon dx is equal to u and also x square upon x square plus 1 into this, taking LCM, x square minus 1 upon x square plus log x plus 1 upon x. So x square cancel out. So put value of u. So x plus 1 upon x power x and x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x. So value of du upon dx. Now इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, अभी तो ये इस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट हुआ, अब सेकेंड का प्रोसेस का आपको करना है. So v is equal to x 1 plus 1 upon x. Now again taking log both side. So log v is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x log x. So this time, so log x. Derivative with respect to x. So d upon dx p is equal to d upon dx 1 plus 1 upon x and log x. So now du upon dx is equal to x plus 1 upon x power x and x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 and plus log x plus 1 upon x. So this is first equation. Take derivative log v. So 1 upon v d v is equal to first product of two function. First function 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon x, derivative of second function log x plus log x, derivative of first function 1 plus 1 upon x. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus 1 upon x and also 1 upon x plus log x first function and derivative d upon dx 1 plus d upon dx x power minus 1 reverse to minus 1 and now taking LCM. So x plus 1 upon x into 1 upon x plus log x and 0 plus minus 1 x power minus 2 derivative. So now this x plus 1 upon x square plus log x into 1 upon x square minus. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus minus log x upon x square. So now this this 1 upon v dv upon dx and dv upon dx. Now this is value v multiply by this. Put v x power 1 plus 1 upon x and also taking LCM x square and x square plus 1 minus x square x and x. So x plus 1 and x plus 1 log x. So a dv upon dx. Now second, since y is equal to take u plus v. Now differentiate respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now these value du upon dx now put here. dy upon dx is equal to du x plus 1 upon x power x, and also x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 upon x, and plus dv upon dx. Now so put here, so this value x power 1 plus 1 upon x, and x plus 1 minus log x upon x square. So this is answer of given function. So this is answer of given function. Question number 7. Log x power x plus x power log x. In this case, so x power x, so direct derivative not possible, so separated by log. So now let y is equal to log x power x plus x power log x. There are two fraction addition. So x power x, जब फंक्शन x पावर x में हो तो हम log से इसको सेपरेट करते हैं, तोड़ते हैं, ब्रेकअप करते हैं, तब इसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो नाउ लेट u is equal to log x power x and v is equal to x power log x. So now taking log both side. So log u is equal to n times of log this. So x log x. So and also can you solve? So now listen, first you solve. So y is equal to u plus v. Question first. Now take this value, put here u, and this value put here this u plus v. Y is equal to u plus v. Now equation take first, and derivative differentiate with respect to x. So now 1 upon u du upon dx plus 1 upon log derivative of log 1 upon u plus derivative of this with respect to x 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, there are two functions. So first function derivative of second function log x plus log x, second function derivative of first function. So there are two functions, first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, So x, and now log derivative of log 1 upon this. So 1 upon log x, derivative of this derivative of log 1 upon this, into derivative of this d upon d log x, plus log x into derivative of 1, and again 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to x upon log x upon log x, and derivative of log into 1 upon x, plus log x. So x cancel out. So du upon dx is equal to, multiply by this u in 1 upon log x, plus log x, and this value of u log x power x, and also taking LCM log x and 1 plus log x into log x, log x. So 1 plus log and log upon log. So this, and also log this base and this base power 1. So this separated log x power x minus 1, and also 1 plus log x into log x. So du upon dx. Now equation first. In second case, v is equal to, let's say, x log x. So taking log both side. So log v is equal to log x into log x. So log x square and log v, differentiate with respect to x. So now dv 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to, now this power differentiate d upon dx log x power 2. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to derivative of power 2 and minus log x power 2 minus 1 into derivative of this derivative of power, yani x power n derivative. So n times of x power n minus 1 times. So this process is, so 2 times log 2 की power minus 1. So and also derivative of this base log x, log x. So dv upon dx is equal to v. Use multiply by this 2 into 2 log x power 1 and 1 by x. So now use value of x power log x यानी 2 x power x log x into 1 by x. So x power this and x power now 1. So reverse to numerator minus power. So 2 x power log x minus 1 into log x, and also dv upon dx. And second part. So since y is equal to u plus v, क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, एंड डेरिवेटिव डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now third part. Now these value put here. So D from equation first, second, third and fourth. First, second and third. First, this is second and this is third, this is fourth, and second, third and fourth. dy upon dx is equal to, so put du upon dx log x power x minus 1 and 1 plus log x into log x and plus 2 x power log x minus 1 into log x. This is answer of given function. Question number 8. Y is equal to sin x power x plus sin inverse root x. So there are two function addition. So x power x. So now separated this. Let u is equal to sin x power x and v is equal to sin inverse root x. So now taking or y is equal to, now put here y is equal to u plus v. Now question first and differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now equation take first. Now let this, and also again u is equal to sin x power x. So taking log both side. So log u is equal to x log sin x. So x time and log this. Differentiate with respect to u. So d upon dx log u is equal to d upon dx x log sin x. So now this log derivative of log u 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, so product of two function, first function derivative of second function log sin x plus second function log sin x derivative of first function, derivative of first function. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to x derivative of log 1 upon sin x into derivative of this d upon dx sin x plus log sin x into 1. So this written here and derivative of x with respect to 1. So this du upon dx is equal to u and x. So 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x cos x plus log sin x. So you put here sin x power x and also x cos upon sin cot x plus log sin x. So this is du upon dx. This is question number first. Now again put v is equal to sine inverse root x. So differentiate with respect to x. dv upon dx is equal to d upon dx sine inverse root x. So dv upon dx. So sine inverse x 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So 1 upon 1 minus x square means root x square into derivative of this d upon dx root x power 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 minus x and also 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2 and also x power 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x into root x and also 1 upon 2 in bracket x in bracket x 1 minus x and also 1 upon 2 root x minus x square. This is dv upon dx. So now third take. And from equation first, second and third. First, second and third. dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx sin x power x and x cot x plus log sin x and plus the value of dv upon dx 1 upon 2 root x minus x square. So this is answer of given function. Question number 9. X power sin x plus sin x power cos x power x. So there are two functions. Now separated these function by log method. So now let u is equal to x power sin x and also v is equal to sin x power cos x. So taking log both side. So d log u is equal to sin x log x. Differentiate with respect to x. So d upon dx log u is equal to d upon dx sin x log x. Log x, one derivative of log 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to, there are two function, product of two function, first function derivative of second function. So second function derivative of first function sin x. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to sin x log x 1 upon x plus log x and derivative of second function into cos x. So now du upon dx is equal to u. Now transfer to right, u sin x upon x plus log x into log s into cos x, and also written in form du upon dx is equal to, put u value x power sin x and taking LCM x, so sin x plus x log x into cos x upon x, and this is value of du upon dx. Now first, and also v is equal to sin x power cos x. So now taking log both side. So dv upon, taking log both sides, log v is equal to cos x into log sin x. So differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to first function cos x and differentiate of second function log sin x plus second function log sin x and derivative of first function cos x. Cos x. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to cos x and into derivative of log 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x plus log sin x minus derivative of cos minus sin x. So dv upon dx is equal to v in bracket cos upon sin cot x into derivative of sin cos x and plus log sin x plus minus and sin x. So now value of v put here dv upon dx is equal to sin x power cos x and cot x cos x and minus sin x log sin x. So equation part of second. Part second. Since y is equal to u plus v, so now differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. This du upon dx now put here x power sin x in bracket sin x plus x log x cos x upon x and plus also second dv upon dx. So sin x power cos x and cot x into cos x minus sin x into log sin x. So this is function of given question this function x power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. In this function x power x. In this case, taking log separated by this function. So now let u is equal to x power x cos x, and v is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So taking log both side. So now log u is equal to x cos x into log x. So this times into log x. This now let first function and this is second function. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to first function x cos x, derivative of second function log x plus log second function derivative of first function d upon dx x cos x. So now solve. You can solve 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to x cos x, and derivative of log 1 upon x plus log x in bracket. So there are again product of two functions. So now we start first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function into x. So bracket close. So x cancel out. 1 upon u du upon dx is equal to cos x plus and log in bracket x derivative of cos minus sin x and plus cos x into 1. So derivative is 1. So du upon dx is equal to u in bracket cos x and plus minus, so minus, so log x. So x into sin x into log x and also plus, so cos x into log x, and also this du upon dx is equal to du upon dx is equal to u value of u x power x cos x and cos x and also plus cos x log x minus x sin x log x. So du upon dx is equal to x power x cos x and x cos x common out, cos x in bracket 1 plus log x and minus x sin x into log x. This is question number part of first. Again v is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1, यानी कि डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकेंड कैलकुलेट. सो नाउ taking log both side. So log v is equal to log m by n. So log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So now according to this formula, log x square plus 1 minus log x square minus 1, and since log m by n, so log m minus log n. This according to this formula you calculate in log. So derivative with respect to x. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to, so derivative of this d upon dx log x square plus 1 minus d upon dx log x square minus 1. So 1 upon v dv upon dx is equal to derivative of log 1 upon something, 1 upon x square plus 1, and also derivative of this x square plus 1 minus again derivative of log 1 upon x square minus 1 d by dx, and also x square minus 1. So again now calculate this dv upon dx is equal to v and x square 1 upon x square plus 1. 1 upon x square 1 derivative of this, so 2x plus 0, so 2x into 2x, and also minus 1 upon x square minus 1, so derivative of this 2x. This minus derivative of 1 constant will be 0, so we get 2x. Now this calculate, and value we put here x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 and 2x upon x square plus 1 and 2x upon x square minus 1. So now x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So taking LCM, x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. X square minus 1. So this cancel out. So 2x in bracket x square minus 1 and minus also. So this cancel out, 2x in bracket x square plus 1. Again dv upon dx is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So now multiply by this 2x power 3 and minus 2x power 3 and minus 2x upon x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. So cancel out and also cancel out. So dv upon dx is equal to minus 2x minus 4x upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 1. So minus 4x upon x square minus 1 power 2. So this is 2. And also since put y is equal to u plus v. So this put here u and this value put here v, u, y is equal to u plus v. So differentiate with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv upon dx. Now question third. So now ये second. From equation first, second and third we get dy upon dx is equal to du upon dx, this value put here, so x power x cos x and bracket cos x in bracket 1 plus log x minus x sin x log x, and also plus dv upon dx now minus 4x upon x square minus 1 power 2, and also written as dy upon dx is equal to x power x cos x and cos x in bracket 1 plus log x in minus x sin x and log x minus 4x upon x square minus 1 square. So this is answer of given function question number now 9, 8, 10 and also question number 11.